Welcome to the new DeepStar project website. This overview presentation will take you through the major site modules and give you a jump start in exploring our new digital home. We invite you to explore beyond the items covered here to discover all the new features and functionality we've packed into the completely redesigned site. In the near future, we will publish additional videos with a more detailed look at many of the site's features, so be sure to check back for them. Let's begin by logging in. Enter your username and password on the home page in the Member Login box. The Login dialog is in the left column just under the Members menu. If you want to stay logged in so you don't have to enter your username and password each time you return to DeepStar, make sure there is a checkmark present next to Remember Login. Once you log in, you will be taken to the Tendenci homepage. Tendenci is the content management system and backbone that runs the DeepStar site. You will also notice your username in the Member Login box. Let's return to the home page by clicking Home. On the left side of all pages on the DeepStar website, including the home page, is the DeepStar navigation menu. Menu items in dark blue are accessible by the public. Menu items in white below the light blue Members graphic are restricted to registered DeepStar members only. If you need help, please check the DeepStar Frequently Asked Questions link, or FAQs, under the About DeepStar menu item. If your question is not answered there, feel free to contact us through the Contact DeepStar link. The primary functionality of the DeepStar website members area is broken into four main modules: the calendar, the member directory, the committees module, and the projects or CTR module. We'll start with the calendar. A condensed version of the DeepStar calendar is found in the left-hand column under Upcoming Events. Dates listed in red have events associated with them. You may click on a red date to be taken to a list of events for that date. Alternatively, an abbreviated list of upcoming events appears just below the graphic calendar. You can click on any one event to view the event details or register for the event. There is also a link to the calendar in the dark blue Public Navigation menu. This link will take you to a monthly overview of scheduled DeepStar events. After you have selected an event, you will see the option icons near the right side of the screen just above the title of the event. Many DeepStar modules will have option icons. To find out what an option icon does, simply hover your mouse over the icon and read the dialog text that appears. In the calendar, your options are printer-friendly version of this event, email to a friend, generate iCalendar file to add to Outlook, and an RSS feed link if you have an RSS viewer. To add this event to Outlook or another desktop calendar software, click the iCal button. When the file download box appears, select Open. And, if your calendar software opens an entry, click Save. It is important to note that downloading an iCal file does not register you for an event. If an event can be registered online, you will see a yellow Register Now link just below the event title and date. Click that link. If you are logged in, the form that appears will automatically be populated with your profile information. Next, click the Submit Registration button. On the next screen that appears, click Confirm Registration. Now you're done, and you have successfully registered for the event. Because of security policies and restrictions at all of our facilities, DeepStar events have a registration deadline several days before the scheduled meeting. If extenuating circumstances prevent you from registering before the deadline, please contact the individual listed under Event Contact near the bottom of an events page. To view events you have currently registered for, or if you need to cancel your registration for an event, select the My Events link on the calendar page. Here you will find a list of all events for which you are registered. To cancel an event, click the trash can icon. Next, scroll down to the bottom of the page and select One-Click Cancel Registration link. That's it. your registration has been removed. Returning to the home page, we will look at the member directory. You can search for DeepStar members by clicking the DeepStar member directory link in the center of the page, or by clicking the member directory link in the members navigation menu on the left. In addition to searching for other members, through the member directory you can also edit your profile and committee memberships. To do so, click Edit. The Edit page contains all of your contact information and a place to change your username and password. If you wish to change your committee memberships, find the Edit Committee's Membership icon in the Options icon row and select it. Once you've made your changes, scroll down and click Submit Changes. To segue into the Committees module, we will go back to the home page. From the Members navigation menu, hover over Project Information and scroll down the list of committees. You may either select an individual committee, or you may select one of the other options, which includes the committee member list, or links to generate a list of CTRs or minutes, which pull information from the Projects module. Selecting a committee will take you to the information page for that committee. Features on the committee page include a link to join or unsubscribe from the committee email list, an overview of committee calendar events, a directory listing of the committee chairpersons and champions, the full list of committee members, and a list of the most recent meeting minutes. Lastly, we'll explore the document library. On the right side of the home page, you will see a list of the latest DeepStar uploads. The top 5 entries are recent documents related to CTRs. The bottom 5 are any recent news items for the DeepStar project. If you would like to search all documents, select Document Search from the center column or from the left-hand navigation column. The DeepStar Documents library is handled by the Projects module. Documents are organized by CTR affiliation and can be searched by multiple criteria, either one criterion at a time, or by using several simultaneously to further narrow your search. In addition to phase, file type, including minutes, reports, presentations, and the like, and committee associations, documents may be searched by the metadata associated with each file in the Search By box. The most powerful new feature added to the document library is searching by document content. Selecting this option will allow for an index search, similar to performing a search through Google, Yahoo, or another search engine. If you want to search for final reports in Phase 7, Floating Systems Committee, that contain the word FPSO, we find a listing of 2 CTRs with a total of 5 documents. Any documents that your company or organization does not have access to will display the phrase "Not Authorized." Reports are restricted by phase membership and participant or contributor status. If you feel you should have access to a document and you are not authorized to view it, please contact the DeepStar webmaster through the contact form. That's it for the overview presentation. We hope you enjoy exploring and using the new DeepStar site. As always, if you have any questions or need any assistance, feel free to contact us. Thanks, and happy surfing.